Hello friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. My name is Naghma and today I have brought you a news that is specially for the class 12th commerce students that there is a 30% of reduction in your syllabus. Just now the Department of Pre-University Education has released your latest syllabus just for this 2021 year academic year, and there is a reduction of 30%. So let's see what and all is there in your subject. In English we have Romeo and Juliet, Two Dear, On Children, and When You Are Old, The Gardener, Heaven, If You Are Not on Earth, Japan and Brazil, The Water, and Where There Is a Wheel. And almost there is a reduction. You can see 4th, 8th, 9th and 14th chapter is being deleted for this year, okay? And whatever this syllabus is just only for this 20 to 21 academic year. And in economics, the initial 4th chapter of microeconomics and initial 4th chapter of macroeconomic is there in your syllabus, and the last 5 and 6, that is the 2 chapter of both the part, is being deleted from your syllabus. And here let's go with the business studies. You will be having all the part 1 and part 2, only one lesson is being added, and the rest of 10, 11 and 12 subject is being deleted from your syllabus. Accounts, you will be having full of part 1, and part 2 only 1 and 3 subject is there, and rest 2, 4, 5, 6 subject is being deleted from your syllabus. And history, let me tell you that please mark it if you have your textbook with you. So first chapter is being added, second and third chapter is being reduced, deleted, and in fourth chapter we have 4.1, that is Vedic culture, rise of new religion, 4.2, and 4.3 Mauryas is being added, and 4.4 Kushanas is deleted, and 4.5 Gupta is added, and 4.8 Rashtrakutas is added, and 4.9 later Chalukyas is added. 4.6 and 4.7 and 4.4 is deleted from the fourth subject. And medieval period we have full, like 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5 is full, is added, and chapter number 6 is also added, and chapter number 7, 7.1 is deleted, 7.2 is deleted, 7.3 is deleted, 7.4 is deleted, 7.5 is added, that is Mysore. Indian National Movement, that is 7.6 is added, role of Karnataka. 7.7 Unification Movement in Karnataka is added, and 8th map work is added. The rest is what I said is deleted, okay? And computer, you can see all the subject, initial subject is being added, and the rest 14, 15, 16 and 17 is being deleted from the syllabus for this year. And this is Urdu. You can see from the pros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and directly 10 is added. It means 8, 9 and 11 is being deleted, and from the prose. And from the poetry you can see 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11 is added. 2, 5 and 10 is being deleted from the poetry section. And ghazle 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 is added in your syllabus, and 4, 5, 6 is being deleted, and the rest is being same. Hindi 1, 2, 4, 5 subject chapter is being added, and 6, 7, 8 chapter is being deleted. And from the poetry section, 1, 2 is there. Here 3, 4 is being deleted, and again 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, and 5, 6 is being deleted, and the rest of the supplementary is continued, I mean added. That is it. This is your complete syllabus. I hope you have got your point now. I mean, you have got your exact syllabus. Now you can concentrate on your studies, and best of luck for the coming year ahead, and along with that for your exams. Thank you very much.